customized for case and glove users. What do you do with the case? You got the solid state button. What are cases going to look like? What do I got to do? Dig in there? I don't get a clickety clack now. Well, I get a buzz that feels like a click, like the trackpad. But how do I do the case around it? Or what do I do with the gloves? Do I get the feedback I need? You ever go ahead, try and use a trackpad with a glove on? You having fun? I didn't think so. I didn't think you were having fun. But apparently they're going to figure it out, right? They're going to say, tune it up. Solid-state capacitive buttons are expected to be exclusive to 15 Pro models this year, and the standard iPhone 15 models will retain the traditional button mechanism as seen on previous iPhone models. iPhone 15 Pro is also expected to support a new customizable action button. Action. You know what they got that from, right? Action will cost you money. You want an action button? You better pay for it. Oh. And the reason we know that is because of the Ultra designation is the current only action button. There goes Jack. Here he goes. There he goes. Watch him go. Give us the wide on it, and he's flying past. Here you go. There he is. And you know he has his sidekick companion with him right at his heels. Watch him go. There he goes. Oh, baby.
Into the darkness.
Into the void. And he just, he's got, look, man, he's a busy guy. He's just A to B. There's stuff going on. You've got to get from there to there, and this is the bottom line.
Well,
so you're big on this solid state button. You're loving the solid state.
If it's done like the Magic Trackpad, I think it's really a good implementation. We haven't really gotten a power button upgrade for phones, other than maybe like the fingerprint sensor on the power button. I think it's due for an upgrade. The solid state button.
This is a big deal for you.
I like it. I'm a big fan.
This is a game changer for you.
I might switch to the iPhone, actually.
This is a game changer for you.